Welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna be getting ready. I'm gonna do like a little nice light beats to my face. So cause I gotta take Kai to the doctor today. I don't wanna do nothing dramatic, but baby, it is cold outside. I have to get my teeth. So when it's cold outside, I drink my mother's milk tea, which it helps you produce milk to breastfeed. It's really good if you're breastfeeding. It tastes good. Started. I'm really not gonna talk y'all through what I'm actually doing. I'm just gonna talk to y'all. So if you want a detailed tutorial, bro, you gotta tell me. Cause this video, I'm just gonna really just talk to y'all. So anyways, so let me tell y'all what I discovered last night. So first and foremost, for beginners, when I had Kai, before I had Kai, y'all, I was 124. Y'all know I had PCOS and I lost a lot of weight from just like working out, because PCOS was, like my body was insulin resistant, so like all that insulin was just piling up, making it hard for me to lose weight. So my doctor gave me some metformin to help with my PCOS, and that was able to get all that extra insulin off of my body so that I could lose weight. So I was like 204, and then I got down to 124. How I did that, girl? I was working out. I was eating. I'm not gonna say the best, but most of it comes from me. So my heaviest when I was pregnant was 180, probably like 183, I think. So right after I had Kai, I went down to 162, and baby, it's been a struggle from there. It's been a struggle from there. You're not gonna believe how much I weigh now. 190. How? So I'm stuck between like, okay, sis, what you got going on? I don't know if my body is insulin resistant again, because I still have PCOS. My doctor didn't want to put me on the metformin again until after I'm done breastfeeding, because she just didn't want to. Like, I had high blood pressure too, so I was taking high blood pressure medicine. She didn't want to mix all of that medicine together with me breastfeeding and all that. So yeah, I got on the scale last night. I was 190. I was like, I had to do something. Like, I know it's gonna be hard for me to lose weight, but just like before, like I couldn't lose no weight because of the PCOS. But I'm gonna try to I'm not gonna try, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna eat better, stuff like that, to help with my weight loss. Because even if I get to you know what, I'm just gonna keep it honest with you. Around Thanksgiving, I was like 180, probably like 184, 185, something like that. Because me and my friends, we were doing like a weight loss challenge. So I was like around 180, and then after that, like, I just kept gaining. So what I'm gonna do is, last time when I worked out with Millionaire Hoy. He's here on YouTube, and he had like a lot of good videos. Like, I worked out with him every single day using his videos, but he's not on here anymore, so I'm gonna have to find somebody else to work out with. So I'm gonna do that today. I'm gonna start today. I'm gonna do a little workout, because I know once we get back from the doctor, he's getting his shots today, and more than likely he'll be tired and sleepy. So I'm gonna start working out. So, because I don't want to be on my 600-pound life, but like, weight just sneak up on you so quick. Like, you be like, girl, where this come from? How this happened? He just 4 months, and I done ate all this weight. Like, But I ain't gonna lie. Like, looking at myself in the mirror, I don't look like I outweigh that much. So that's why I'm kind of like, okay, should I work out or should I just be like, girl, you look good? Because I do look good. But still, the fact of the matter is, I just don't want to look up one day and I'm, 700-800 pounds. Or I'm going to be on my 600-pound life. Because it happens like that, so I'm like, even though you looking good, sis, we just gonna do a little workout. We gonna start off probably twice a week, drink more water, or whatever, and get it together. Because, best believe, I'm cute either way, you feel me? I'm cute either way, so I'll be cute either way, but I just don't want to look up and then I'm not happy. I'm like, okay, girl, how did you get like this? Because I already don't know how I got like this. Like, I mean, eating, of course, but, and my thing is, like, snacking, like, your girl loves to snack, okay? I love to snack, so that definitely could be one of the problems. I'm going to cut out my snacking, or I'm going to get some healthier snacking choices. Just so, when I want to snack, I'll have something to snack on. This tea that I drink, like, it's really good herbs and stuff like that in it, so I may just, I don't know. I'm just going to try to get some healthy snacks, and cut out sweets, because, I mean, I'm not a sweet eater, but lately, I've been eating a lot of sweets, I'm not even gonna lie. Lately, I've been eating a lot of sweets. But yeah, I was scared to get on the scale for a couple of days. So I was like, girl, you done gained some weight, girl. You're close to 600 pounds. But, and I wanted to do this because, like, it's different, y'all. Like, when I went from being 204 to 124, like, that's different than going from, this is cute. It's different than going from the 124 to 160 to 184 to 190. That's different. But I'm gonna work it out, y'all. It's cute. I don't know if y'all can see it for real. But I'm gonna have to show myself what I use, because I look back at my own YouTube videos for makeup, because I don't be knowing. So I used that first. Then I used a little bit of that, and then I went there. So, another news, y'all. Let me tell y'all, last time Kai got his shots, right? It's been about, he got them at 2 months, so it's been 2 months ago. This boy, like, they gave him 3 shots, 2 in one leg and 1 in the other. And so, he started to cry when they gave him the first shot. Y'all, by the 3rd shot, he wasn't even crying anymore. Like, this boy ended up, after they gave him all the shots, he cried until the end of the 3rd shot, and then I picked him up. And then he just went to sleep, and I just wanted to cry myself, because I was like, baby's acting like he don't need me. He's acting independent, and I can't take it. But I was proud of him. I'm not gonna lie, I was proud of my baby. He did really well. Really good. I know my baby's getting bigger. I ain't even going. I know he's getting bigger. Like, when he was born, he was 6 pounds. And I think 12 ounces. I really don't remember. I just remember 6 pounds. And then I took him here to go to the heart doctor last week. Because, like, he has excessive sweating. Like, he gets really hot. So they just wanted to check out his heart. Everything was good. I was like, thank you, Jesus. But he's just, like, very hot-natured. So, but anyway, they laid him there. And he was like, 12 pounds. So I really don't know how to do the highlights, so I think we got a little glow or something going on. So yeah, I can't wait to see how much he weighs, cause that boy be wanting to nurse, okay? He be on the top, okay? That's my baby. I love him. Listen to this. There's nothing like being a mom. Like, people be telling you the bad stuff, like you be up all night, but Kyle sleeps good. Like, he is up sometimes, but not all the time. Like, he'll go to sleep. I try to have him sleep probably about 8 or 9. He'll sleep till probably about 1. And he'll wake up, he just wants some milk. And when he wakes up and wants milk, he don't even be all the way woke, y'all. Like, he just be crying. Because he don't never open his eyes. He cry, I pick him up, I'll give him some, put him on the breast, let him nurse. He'll go to sleep. Burp him, laying right down. And he be good. And sometimes he be asleep, I just be looking at him, I'm like, oh my goodness. Like, this baby is, like, my everything. I love him so much. So much. Honey, that eye came out pretty good. I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna put a little bit more brown on this side. But I don't know if y'all see it for real. Don't worry, I'm gonna take y'all some pictures. I know you get some Carmex. I don't know why I've been doing these videos lately with no Carmex, but let's put on a wig. Honey, this makeup looks good. Good. Y'all, I know y'all watch my aloe vera video. Look at my roots. Like, these roots are straight. The aloe vera does something to your hair, okay? I'm gonna Google how to stretch a wig. Cause I'd be darned if I give this wig away. Cause it's cute. Y'all, Kai and Trey is in there talking, right? You know, Kai is just babbling or whatever. I heard Trey say, Kai, let me know when you want your own bed. I'll buy your own bed for your own room. And Kai just babbled like he know what Trey talking about. Trey was like, yeah, I'll get you a race car bed. I'm like, they really here having a full-blown conversation. And now Kai, and they're talking, Trey laughing. This wig is the Yara. It's from the Yara family. And, well, I was gonna be mad if I done said all that and I wasn't recording, right? But it's the Yara family. It's X-On. X-On. But, ooh. That's so cute. Let me show y'all that. I don't know if it's supposed to be asymmetrical. I don't think so. Just get this up. I'm gonna have to do that in slow-mo for y'all. But I love this wig. I'm ready for it on Christmas too. It's what's up. Anyways, that's all for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you'll get notified when I post videos. Okay, and like usual, I'm gonna go ahead and post a little picture at the end of the video. Follow me on Instagram at Slade by Tamia. And I'll see y'all later. Bye.